Cloud storage is awesome until you realize you are paying Amazon for every time somebody sneezes over your bucket. So I decided to fix that by self-hosting unlimited object storage using MinIO. And not only that, but wiring it up with n8n so that you can do unlimited automations on files. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to build your own personal S3 storage server. But instead of Amazon servers, this one runs over your own laptop, a mini PC, a server, a potato, anything which can do processing. It's unlimited storage, private, fast, free. And then we're gonna connect it to n8n so your workflow can upload, download, process, delete, or do whatever automations people do with the files. By the way, if you wanna learn self-hosting n8n, check out this video. So this is our Docker file. Here we are getting the image and we are making sure like we pass the environment, which is like our root user password and username, and also browser redirect URL, which is our like console. And make sure you also like put the volume so that after every restart your data persists and it is mounted. And as I'm using traffic, so I make sure like all the configuration related to traffic is there, and that's it. That's all you need to get it work. So let's run this. We go to our terminal and we write docker up and start it. Let's go to our browser and we're gonna use the password I gave. You can see it's done and we just like acknowledge it. Now you can go ahead and create a bucket, demo bucket, and you can manually go ahead and add anything here. I'm gonna upload a file. Let's upload this, and it's done. It's pretty fast. Now that part is done, let's look into that n8n and let's see how we can like use this in n8n. So I have a small workflow. What I'm doing is when I click on this workflow, okay, I get an image. Image.unsplash. This is the image, and this is basically this image we are getting from Unsplash. And once we get the image, we create a bucket. Okay, we are naming it MinIO demo. And once that bucket is created, we upload a file to it. The file we got when we were actually fetching it, that's exactly file. We will upload that file, and we will also download that file from MinIO demo bucket only so that we can show it. So let's go ahead and run our workflow, and it's done. It's pretty fast, you know. So let's look at this. This is the file we are getting. If you can see it here, this is the file we are getting. And if we go here, download file view, this is the exact same file, right? And if we go to our server, MinIO server, and let's refresh it, we can see this thing is here. The bucket is here, and if you preview the file, so the file is now sitting on MinIO server rent-free. There's no charges to view, there's nothing, and you can definitely do this on your own. This isn't a hobby project. MinIO is used by big companies to store petabytes of data, but you don't need that. You can run it on your own laptop or a server and still flex up. And that's it. In just few minutes, you have built your own object storage server, connected it to n8n, and basically created your own mini AWS. Want me to cover self-hosting, databases, queues, or other automation tools? Let me know, and I will build the entire backend ecosystem in next video.